Hi, I'm Chris Pickering, Director of Sales for Light Efficient Design's Solera Solar Business Unit. Today we'll be unboxing the RP SAL, our all-in-one solar off-grid area light. We're going to talk a little bit about some things you should look out for when doing an installation and how to get the unit properly programmed and installed. Let's take a look inside. So when you get your unit, first thing you want to do is just inspect the box, make sure there wasn't any damage in shipment. That's obvious, right? But we'll open this up and take a quick peek, and you can see that the unit is fully packed inside. On this side, you'll find the installation and mounting hardware that you'll need, along with the remote. You want to be careful when unboxing this. This is a sensitive piece of equipment, and there is a solar panel on the housing, so just be sure you have a good flat surface to put it onto. I'm going to start out by removing the side with the mounting hardware, and we'll set that aside for just a second. Now let's get the rest of the unit out. And place it onto a flat surface. So now we can see the pieces of this unit. This is the LED module. Right here is the sensor. Inside here is the battery and all the control electronics necessary. On the opposite side is the solar panel. Just want to inspect it and make sure that there was no damage that occurred during shipment. This one looks good. Over here is our mounting hardware. Our area lights come standard with a slip fitter mounting. The slip fitter is what you would use to attach this to a standard 2 3/8 inch tenon on the pole. If you have other mounting options that you need, maybe a wall mount or a square pole, we have different mounting accessories that you order separately. Here's an example of how they might come. This one happens to be for a square pole. And again, inside the box, you have all the tools, screws, and equipment that you'll need to utilize the square pole mounting. We also include, in case you don't have one, a tool to use the anti-theft bolts. That's to ensure that no one comes and tampers with the unit once you install it. Now, solar lighting is a great product to use in areas where you don't have easy access to the grid. It could be for a parking lot, a bike path, recreation court, or even for some interior roadways with homeowners associations. When installing a solar product, a couple of things to keep in mind. First off, you want to ensure that you have your solar panel facing primarily south. Southeast or southwest is okay. North facing will not give you ample solar collection on the solar panel to charge the battery fully, and you may have some difficulty with operation. So plan your installation accordingly. Once you've taken the unit out of the box, it's a good idea to get it fully charged before you mount it on the pole to ensure the unit's operating correctly. A couple ways you can do that. One is to simply set it outside, face your solar panel south on a nice sunny day, and get a good 8 hours of sunshine on the solar panel. A second way is we do have an optional accessory, an AC charger, that plugs into a port that allows you to charge the battery via a wall outlet. That'll take you usually about 4.5 to 5 hours to get it fully charged with the AC unit. Once you have that fully charged, then you want to be sure you have good operation on the unit. So with the remote control, it does come with a battery protector, so ensure you remove that battery protector prior to using it. So inside the sensor area is an indicator light that will let us know if this unit is operating correctly. So we'll take our remote control and turn the fixture on. You can see this green light indicates normal operation. My solar panel is covered, indicating that it's not getting any light, so it thinks it's nighttime. My LED is on. If I were to expose the solar panel to some sunlight, it will turn off. If I expose the solar panel to some sunlight, you notice the LED module turns off. And now we have a slow blinking red light that indicates normal charging operation. Now, if you notice that this red light begins to flash fast, then that's an indicate of a charging fault, and you'll want to do some troubleshooting to indicate what causes that. Also, sometimes you'll notice an alternating red and green flashing indicator. In that situation, that normally means your battery is below 10%, and so you need to either connect that external charger or get a good day's sunshine to get a proper charge on the battery.